That's right, I'm not gonna beat around the bush here and say that Tesla shares are stabilizing, and I admit that the timing of this reaction is very good. After all, we are trading around important support levels, and I would not be surprised if we saw Tesla bounce from here, but here's the danger. If Tesla confirms a bottom, could it reverse? Or would this just be another dead cat bounce? This is what we are gonna talk about in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, a random Brazilian guy who likes to talk about Tesla and etc. So let's see what's happening right now. From a technical point of view, Tesla just reached the technical target of this head and shoulders chart pattern. See, here we see a shoulder, a head, another shoulder, head and shoulders chart pattern. What's the technical target of this pattern? Is the distance between the neckline and the top of the head projected in the direction of the breakout. Since the breakout was downward, so we project in this direction, and today Tesla reached the technical target of this head and shoulders chart pattern. This alone should work, in theory, should work as a support level. But wait, because there is more. We also hit the technical support level made by the $212.36, which was the low of August 18 over here. Another technical support level, a previous bottom area, making this area a particularly interesting support level. If Tesla reacts from here, so far there is no confirmed bottom signal. We see some stabilization, right? But right now, Tesla is not actually confirming a bottom signal. But if it does, all right, great. I do believe that right now the timing is perfect, all right? If Tesla bounces from here, it could find a better support level. What's the problem? The problem is that Tesla is not bullish right now. Since Tesla lost this purple trend line over here, which was connecting all the previous bottom levels back to April this year, Tesla lost the bullish momentum. So right now, we are not bullish anymore. In fact, since we just triggered a head and shoulders, we also triggered a bearish pivot point. We made a lower high, lower low. We lost the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, which is also pointing downward right now. So Tesla is definitely not bullish, at least not on the daily chart. So even if we see a bounce, in theory, any bounce should be just a bounce. Tesla will remain inside bearish territory as long as it stays below its critical resistance levels, which is first the 21 EMA on the daily chart, second the $240, which was the previous support level, which was the neckline, the trigger point of this bearish reaction. So Tesla, if Tesla bounces from here, it would have to face two major resistance levels over here, and only by breaking these resistance levels and only by triggering a crystal clear bullish reversal structure, then alright. Then Tesla will trigger a bullish structure made of higher highs, higher lows, and alright, in this case, we are going to probably fill this gap over here, close this other gap over here, and probably we're going to reach the $300 next in this scenario. Because why $300? Because right now Tesla is trading around a critical support level as seen on the weekly chart as well. Now, but before we talk about the weekly chart, let's take a look at SPY over here, because SPY is in a very delicate position, right? SPY lost this ascending channel's support level over here, suggesting that yes, we are clearly bearish right now. This is the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we see that SPY is trying to stabilize around the support level, but again, it simply lacks strength. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction right now. QQQ is a little bit more bullish, right? It's actually reacting above a support level. We see a very good bullish candlestick pattern over here right now. This pattern has a name. It is called piercing line candlestick pattern, just above a support level, which is which is easily seen from the daily chart and the weekly chart as well. We are dancing around the 21 MA on the weekly chart, and again, right now the timing for a reaction is just perfect, would be just perfect. We only gotta see the confirmation of a bullish reaction. Right now, guys, right now there is no bullish confirmation. This is why it is a very dangerous situation for Tesla stock, because we see Tesla reacting around support levels all the time, just like when we did over here on October 13, October 16, October 17, just like we did over here July 24, again July 28, again over here August 3, August 7, let me see, August 11. We always see Tesla reacting above support levels. That's normal. That's totally natural. However, as long as we don't see any confirmation of a bottom signal, we might just see another false reaction, another false bullish reaction, and in this case, Tesla would just resume the bearish momentum to its next support levels. And this is why it is a particularly dangerous situation right now, especially if we take a look at the broad market, especially if you are still not my subscriber. If you are still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, come on, subscribe to this channel, click the like button to support me as well, because I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, and the other stocks as well. Alright, so come on, subscribe to this channel, the channel of this random Brazilian guy who likes to talk about Tesla. Now, back to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we see that Tesla is stabilizing. What's the problem? The problem is that last week we did a massive bearish candlestick pattern. Very, extremely massive, and it feels like it could be an ignition bar, suggesting even more downside on Tesla. And in this situation, if Tesla actually confirms this bearish scenario, Tesla would easily retest the $152, the next technical bottom level. However, remember this area over here, where Tesla is right now. This area over here is a major support area made by the 217, the previous top level from February, the 208 area over here, which was a previous top level on March this year. And again, we see multiple support levels as seen on the daily chart, as seen the technical target of this head and shoulders chart pattern. We see that SPY is struggling around its own support levels. We see that QQQ is also trying to react above its own support level. So right now, it feels like it is now or never. If Tesla reacts from here, great. We will have a chance to avoid a sharper pullback to the 150s down here. We will have one chance. But if we fail to do that, all right, then there is no hope for it. We are going to seek our next technical support levels. But right now, given the number of support levels in this area on the daily, weekly charts, on the indices as well, if Tesla actually confirms a bullish reaction, in my humble opinion, that would be a phenomenal signal. Of course, I always work with my own strategy, with my own trading methodology, which I share on my Telegram channel. So if you want to trade with us over here, join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. This month in October, we nailed many good trades. Right now, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. Right now, given the weird circumstances over here, given that Tesla just reported earnings, I am totally neutral, okay? I'm just waiting like a sniper for the next big movement, and I'm going to share with you guys in details on our Telegram channel, so just join us over there. Oh, and by the way, again, looking at the weekly chart over here, we still have yet to frustrate this bullish flag chart pattern over here seen in the beginning of this year, which was officially triggered. Tesla has yet to trigger its technical targets. So this is why, although we are bearish, short and mid-term speaking on the 1 hour, on the daily charts, we're not necessarily bearish yet on the weekly chart. This is why there is still hope for Tesla, although we saw a micro bearish pivot point over here on the daily chart. We have yet to see a true meaningful bearish pivot point on the weekly chart. We are on the verge of triggering a bearish pivot point over here. However, right now we are trading around a crystal clear support level, so this is a decisive moment for Tesla stock. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, so thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.